Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Big Progress channel. We are so happy you are here with us today. If you are learning English and sometimes feel confused, slow, or even a little scared, don't worry, you are not alone.
Yes, many learners feel this. Sometimes English feels too fast, too hard, or too many rules.
Exactly. And sometimes you want to say something about the future, but your mind is blank. You think, what do I say? Will? Going to? What is the difference? It can be stressful, right?
Oh, yes, I know that feeling. I remember before, when I wanted to say my plan for tomorrow, I didn't know which word to use, so I just said nothing and smiled.
That is a very cute solution, but today we will fix that. Today we will help you speak about the future in English in a super easy way.
Yes, and we will speak slowly, clearly, and with short sentences so you can understand everything.
Right. Let me ask you a question to start. Lam, do you want to understand the future tense in English in just one podcast?
Of course, who doesn't?
Great. Because today we will talk about two very easy and very powerful tools, will and going to.
Ah, yes, the big stars today.
Yes, and by the end of this episode, you will understand when to use will, when to use going to, and you will be able to speak about your future plans, dreams, and simple decisions with confidence.
That sounds amazing. I want that.
Good. But before we start, I want to ask our listeners one more question. Do you sometimes feel shy or afraid when you talk about your future in English?
Oh, I know many people feel that. They think their grammar is wrong, or their pronunciation is not good, or maybe they think their plan sounds silly.
Yes, but no plan is silly, and no dream is silly. And today we will help you talk about your plans in a simple, positive way. So let's begin. Lam, I want to ask you something simple. After this podcast, what will you do?
Hmm, I think I will drink a big glass of water.
Perfect! You just used will. And that is great for a quick decision you make right now.
Yes, I decided just now. I feel a little thirsty.
Exactly. So here's the first big rule. Quick decisions when you decide at the moment of speaking.
So, for example, if I feel hungry now, I can say, I think I will eat a sandwich.
Beautiful. Perfect beginner English. Small sentence, clear meaning. And another good thing is that will never changes. I will, you will, he will, she will, it will, we will, they will. All the same. Very friendly grammar.
Oh, yes, I love that. No changes, no stress.
Let's do some more examples.
Okay.
I am tired. I will rest.
My phone is dead. I will charge it.
I don't understand. I will ask my teacher.
These are all small, quick decisions.
Exactly. And we can also use will for predictions, for talking about something in the future that we think will happen.
Like weather?
Yes. For example, I think it will rain tomorrow.
Ah, yes. I hear that a lot.
Or you can say, people will travel more in the future. Cars will fly one day. Maybe.
I hope so. I want a flying car.
Me too. Now, there is one more important thing. The negative form.
Yes. Will not.
Correct. But most people say won't. So, I will, I won't. You will, you won't. He will, he won't. She will, she won't. It will, it won't. We will, we won't. They will, they won't.
Let me try. I am on a diet. I won't eat a big pizza today.
Good. Very practical example.
But I still want pizza.
I know too, but we must be strong.
Yes, strong, but sad.
Don't worry, Lamb. Pizza will come back to your life.
Oh, thank you. I feel better now.
So, Lamb, is that all for Will?
Almost. Let's talk about questions with Will.
Yes, because I always forget how to ask questions.
It's very easy. We just move will to the front. You will come. Will you come? He will call you. Will he call you? It will rain. Will it rain?
Very simple. I like it.
Let's practice. Lamb, will you go to the gym tonight?
No, I won't. I think I will rest.
Good answer. And I have another question. Will you study English tonight?
Yes, I will. I need to practice more.
Perfect. So that is will, quick decisions, predictions, easy questions, easy negative form, no change for any subject. Now, Lamb, I have another question. What are you doing this weekend? Do you have a plan?
Yes, I have a plan. This weekend, I am going to visit my cousin.
Aha! Now you used going to, and that is very important because going to is for plans you decided before.
Yes, this is not a quick decision. It is a real plan.
Exactly. And we will talk about going to in a moment. How to use it, why we need am, is, or are, and how to make your future sound more clear and strong.
I love this part because plans feel more fun.
Yes. And we will also talk about dreams, long-term plans, and how small steps help you reach big goals.
Ooh, that sounds deep.
Don't worry, we will make it simple and fun.
Good. I like simple and fun. All right, everyone, take a small breath, relax, because now we are going to move into the second big part, how to talk about real plans with going to.
Yes, let's do it. I am ready.
Great, Lamb. So, going to is okay, Lamb. Earlier you said you're gonna travel to Japan. Now tell me more. What are you gonna do there?
First, I'm going to eat ramen. A lot of ramen. Maybe too much ramen. Like 1 bowl in the morning, 2 bowls in the afternoon, and 3 bowls at night.
Lamb, that's not a travel plan. That's a food mission.
Yes, I'm going to complete my mission. I will not give up. I will eat ramen for my country.
Okay. But besides ramen, where are you gonna go?
I'm going to visit Kyoto. I want to see old temples and beautiful gardens. I will take many photos. Maybe too many photos.
Let me guess. You will take 5,000 photos of ramen.
Maybe. Who knows? The future is a mystery.
All right, listeners, let's practice together with Lamb. Repeat after us. Sentence 1. I'm gonna travel next month.
I'm going to travel next month.
Good. Sentence 2. I will visit many new places.
I will visit many new places.
Nice. Sentence 3. I'm going to try new food.
I'm going to try new food.
Great job, everyone. Lamb, when are you going to book your flight?
Tonight. I'm going to book it tonight. If the price is cheap. If the price is expensive, I will cry.
Okay, where will you stay?
I'm going to stay in a small guest house, a quiet one, with free breakfast. And hopefully free ramen.
Lamb, I think you have a problem.
Yes. The problem is, I love ramen too much.
Let me tell you a short story. This story is about Lamb in the future. One day, Lamb travels to Japan. He's very excited. He arrives early at the airport. He takes many photos. Then he arrives in Tokyo. Lamb is hungry, of course. So he goes to a ramen shop. He eats one bowl, then two bowls, then three bowls. Suddenly, the chef says, "You are my best customer. You will get free ramen forever."
Wow. That is the best story I have ever heard.
Okay, let's review. Today you learned how to talk about the future. Number 1, use will for decisions now. Examples: I will help you. I will book the ticket tonight. Number 2, use going to for plans. Examples: I'm going to travel next month. I'm going to eat ramen. And you practiced real speaking with Lamb today. Great job! If you want more super easy English podcasts, don't forget to like the video.
And subscribe to Big Progress Channel.
Leave a comment and tell us, what are you going to do next weekend?
We'll read your comments.
Thanks for listening.
Bye-bye, everyone.